In this video, I'd like to show you how to quickly add your comments onto this slideshow. So this is shared with your whole class, and you'll be able to see what they write, and they will be able to see what you write. So in order to do this, I have made it so that my slides, you can't move anything. So it is the background, so you can't move anything. So this way, you don't lose my images that I've put on here, or the information about who the artist is and what the name of the piece is and when it was made. Some of them have some stories to them, and some of them have more details on what they are made from. So what you will be doing is to go up in this top left hand corner, and you're going to hit the text box and click onto the slide. And then I would suggest that you use the fill color, which is right here, to make that solid, some sort of color, whatever color you want to do. Okay. And then you are going to type your thoughts into this. So what we're going to do on this one is you're going to practice writing about the principles of design. And in order to do that, you have to look at your image and you have to really think which principle is shown here. So you can look back on the quick reference slide if you need to, and you need to decide what you want to say. And within your definition, you want to be able to use the elements of art in order to explain the principle. So I already had written this up before, so I just pasted it in there, but you're going to type that in, and when you first do, it may not be set to the text color that you want. You can change that also. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can even change the font if you'd like to. So go ahead and have fun with that part. Just try not to take up the entire space that is left, because multiple people will be writing on this slide. So I've written, this is an installation by Eva Hesse. I could tell you more about it, but I'm not going to at this moment. But I wrote, in this installation, the cylindrical shape is repeated, giving a repetition to this work. However, each shape has its own unique bend or organic feel to it, which makes me see rhythm within this artwork. I could also add rhythm. The rhythm is created through the movement implied by the change in shape. So you try to explain it as fully as you possibly can. And that's what you do. And you guys need to write, I like doing that. You guys need to write on 3 slides. You need to explain 3 different principles. Try to do 3 different principles. If you really are stuck on this one and you're trying to get it good, that's okay. But write on 3 different slides for me. And if you see that somebody has already written on rhythm for this piece, then you need to choose something else. Unless you can think of a way to explain it in a different way, you could do that. But we don't want, someone just repeating what someone else said. We want to try to figure out all of the things that these pieces have. So try not to get too excited if you can see 3 different principles in this artwork. Do not write about all 3 of them on this one artwork. Give somebody else a chance to do that. And I do have a bunch of work on here. You're going to want to flip through all of them to see everything. If we get a little too if we run out of the pieces, then I will add some more. On some of these ones that I didn't give you a ton of room, it's absolutely fine for you to kind of put a text box over something else, over the picture. That's fine, because students are going to be able to move your little comments around. But please don't delete anyone else's, because that would just be rude.